Hello everyone. Today's problem statement is we need to find the highest salary in a given array and we need to find the second highest salary in the given array. And if the second highest salary occurs more than once, we need to log that duplicate one. And finally, we need to print both highest and second highest salary. As you can see here in the example, the array is given and we need to print highest salary and second highest salary. Pause the video and try to find a solution for the above problem statement. At the end of the video, I will share the solution. This is the solution for the above problem statement. Here, the second high salary function call happens and we are sending the arguments in that function. And here we are declaring a variable high and initializing it with the value 0. And we are declaring another variable has a second salary and we are initializing it to a 0. And here we are iterating an array by using the for loop, and here we are checking the condition whether the first element in an array is greater than the highest salary which we have already initialized before the for loop. And if the condition is true, the highest salary will be transferred to the second highest salary and the current salary will be transferred to highest salary. And in the else if condition, we are checking whether there is a duplicate salary present in an array. If it is present, we are transferring it to the second highest salary. And at the end of the program, we are displaying the highest salary and second highest salary. Thank you.